Reinspect for Mr. Camilo. Okay. Okay, so we're here because insurance could not see the damage we were talking about. So, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This one's not the worst. So, creasing, 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 and then you can see material transfer. See all the fibers? Look on this shingle. Look. See how it's tearing the shingle above? It's everywhere. It's the whole shingle. So that is material transfer. That's evidence of non-repairability. Additionally, look, the shingles are so brittle, all the nails are pulling out. So if I try to do anything with that, it's just going to tear through. And look at the chunks of adhesive just tearing on the shingle. Look at that one. It's the same thing. These shingles are too young to be separated, and therefore it's tearing all of the other shingles. Now it's a little worse because I've bent it too far, but that's a failed attempt to repair.